Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use an e-gift card at a restaurant in 2025. Using an e-gift card is a convenient and easy way to pay for your meals at your favorite restaurants. First, ensure that the restaurant you are visiting accepts e-gift cards. You can check the restaurant's website or call them to confirm. Most restaurants display the types of payment methods they accept, including e-gift cards, on their website or at the entrance. Once you have confirmed that the restaurant accepts e-gift cards, you can proceed to make a purchase. When you are ready to pay, let your server know that you would like to use an e-gift card. They will then ask you to provide the e-gift card details, which can be found in the email or text message you received when you purchased the card. The e-gift card details typically include a card number and a PIN or security code. You can either provide the server with a printed copy of the email or text message, or you can show it to them on your mobile device. After providing the e-gift card details, the server will process the payment using the restaurant's point-of-sale system. They will enter the card number and PIN or security code, and then confirm the payment amount. If the payment is successful, the server will let you know and provide you with a receipt. It is essential to note that some restaurants may have specific policies or procedures for using e-gift cards. For example, some restaurants may require you to use the e-gift card for the full amount of the purchase, while others may allow you to split the payment between the e-gift card and another payment method. To avoid any issues, it is best to check with the server or the restaurant's website beforehand to understand their e-gift card policy. Additionally, make sure to keep track of your e-gift card balance to avoid any overdrafts or declined payments. In conclusion, using an e-gift card at a restaurant is a straightforward process that requires minimal effort. By following these steps and being aware of the restaurant's e-gift card policy, you can enjoy a seamless dining experience and make the most of your e-gift card.